Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's vlog. I'm here to start this vlog. So I have a couple of things I want to do today. One of the most important things I need to do today is go for my dental appointment. I'll be going to the dentist. So if you've seen my first trimester symptom video, you will already know that I have bleeding gum, or it started since I got pregnant, and I'm still experiencing it. Right now I'm about 6 months gone. Yes, so I just want to go to the dentist, not because of the bleeding gum, but I just want to go to the dentist just to make sure that everything is right. Just because it's also been a long time. It's been a long time that I visited the dentist, so I just thought, you know what, let me just go today. I booked an appointment and I got an appointment for today, 1:15. It's currently 1 o'clock. The place is not far from me, so I'm just going to walk there and see the dentist. So I plan on doing scaling and polishing and whitening, but I don't know if I can do whitening because I'm pregnant, because of the chemicals. But I'm going to find out when I get there, and we'll see how it goes. I'm not sure if I'll be able to film when I get there, because people here are a bit skeptical about people filming, especially medical people, like when you go to the hospitals and all that. So I'm not sure if I'll be able to film, but it's a private hospital, so hopefully I'm allowed to film. If I am, then you guys will see the clip. If I'm not, then when I get back, I'll give you guys an update. But yeah, my hair is already giving way, but I still like it, and I really don't have time to like regel it or anything. I'm just going to take it like that. Honestly, today is that day that I really couldn't be bothered about anything. So yeah, so let's go to the dentist and have our dental appointment.
Message from a new world I'd never known. Something about it felt like I've been waiting my whole life. Is this home? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around when I start to say.
For the whitening, it doesn't help with the bleeding. It just makes your teeth whiter.
Yes, I know it doesn't help with the bleeding. I'm just saying, is this something that is possible?
Yes, it's possible. We need to check your condition of your teeth first,
okay,
and then we can tell whether it's suitable for you or not.
Okay.
Typically, you can have the whitening. For the whitening, you need another section of the cleaning before the whitening.
Okay.
And do you have any allergies or any chronic diseases?
No.
And do you take any medication daily?
Yes, from pregnancy.
Okay.
And when was the last time you visited the dentist?
It's been a while.
So when was the last time you had the cleaning out?
Like 3 years ago.
Yes. I'm going to spray the ends. Open up. Is it okay? So now we can start.
c'est temps. Alright guys, so I just got back home, so tired. Like, I'm literally out of breath. Yeah, I get out of breath very quickly now. And I live on, my house does not have an elevator, and I live on the 4th floor, so I have to take the stairs every day, which is good. I mean, I use that to exercise, but yeah, I just get to breathe every time. Anyway, I just got back from the dentist. Like, everything went pretty well. I asked him if, I don't know if I recorded that conversation, but I asked him what he would recommend. Thankfully my insurance covered the procedure, so I didn't have to pay much. I think I ended up paying about 18 euros or thereabout, instead of the standard maybe 70 something, or I don't know, something about between 7 something and 800 euros, something along those lines, for scaling and polishing. So I ended up paying about 18 euros, which is good. But yeah, and then I asked him if I should do the whitening, because whitening is about, I asked for the price, he said it's about 250 euros. I didn't even know it was that expensive, but anyway, he then went ahead to say that I don't need it, that my teeth looks good, that I don't need it. They don't really recommend it like that. Yeah, so it's depending on each client. That some clients want it, some clients don't want it, and to be honest, I'm not what's the word I'm looking for, insecure about my teeth. I'm okay, I'm comfortable with them the way they are. I just thought, because I haven't done whitening before, it's been a while that I visited the dentist, I was thinking maybe it would be something that I would need to do, but then the dentist said no, that I don't need to do it, that since they've cleaned it, since I've done the scaling and polishing, that it's fine. So yeah, so that's the verdict. That's what I ended up doing. I just did scaling and polishing, and he said to also see if I can do it in 6 months, come back for another consultation in 6 months, and that scaling and polishing is in 6 months, which is in 6 months. So which is, yeah, after delivery. Yeah, it's some months after delivery. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. But right now, I really feel good about my teeth. All the gunk and everything that we usually accumulate when we brush every day over the years has been cleaned out, which I'm really happy about. And then from the dentist, I stopped at the store to get the brush. So the dentist suggested that, he asked me what kind of brush I use at the moment, and I said medium brush, and he recommended I should buy soft brushes because my gums are sensitive at the moment. And then yeah, so especially because you guys know that I'm one of my pregnancy symptoms is bleeding gums, so he suggested to buy soft brushes. So when I got to the store, I found this brush. It says, the dentist said to look for any brush that it says soft on it, so I found this one. It says soft on it. And then I saw this other one as well. I showed you guys at the store that they wrote ultra soft, so I just decided to go to buy both of them and see how that goes. And then I also stopped at the pharmacy to buy my prenatal drug and my iron supplement. I got 2 of those, so I use 2 tablets every other day, and then this one I use 1 tablet every day. So that's about everything that I got up to today. I'm home, I'm a bit tired. I just want to rest, watch a movie, eat. I don't know, I'm not hungry, but I'm hungry kind of, sure. But let's see. Eat, and then yeah, that'll be it for today. I'll see if I get up to anything else tomorrow. Leave your comment in the comment section. Let me know how often you go to visit the dentist, and if you've ever gone, or if you're like me that went one time and then you haven't gone in a very long time. Yeah, that's about it for today. I don't really have anything else to do today, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Tomorrow.
Child allowance. Child allowance is a very simple sum of 60 euros per month, or 100 euros if you have more than 2 children in your family. And children in this sense are, from the birth until they get 16 or...
Hi guys, so I just got home. Today is the day that my midwife booked me for a blood test for gestational diabetes. I don't know why it's so difficult for me to say gestational. Yes, for glucose test, which is to test for the likelihood of gestational diabetes. And the test was 7:30 a.m. this morning. I just showed you guys the clip. So usually when you get to the hospital, you already have, either you buy, in my own case I bought my own glucose drink. I took it to the hospital, but I think if you don't have, maybe you can also buy at the hospital pharmacy or something. But I took mine, and guys, excuse me, I belch a lot in this second trimester. Like, it's so bad. I don't know, it can be so embarrassing. Yes, so please excuse my multiple and numerous belching. But yeah, so I got to the hospital. They drew my blood, and then the nurse asked me to go take my glucose drink, and then an hour after that she drew my blood again, and then I had to wait for another hour, and then she drew my blood again. So I think they're just going to compare the test result from whatever, the whole 3 hours, and see if, I think, how your body retains glucose or something along those lines, and see if one is if there's a likelihood of the person getting or having here we go again, if there's a likelihood of the person having gestational diabetes. So my midwife told me that if if I hear back from her, like if she calls me, then there's a likelihood, but if she doesn't, then it means that there's no likelihood. I haven't heard from her at the moment. It's currently about past 6 and I haven't heard from her. I pray I never hear from her regarding that. But yeah, I feel fine, I'm good. And then a few hours after I got to the hospital by 7:30. I left at about 10 past 10. I went to the mall to buy some plantain. It's been long, so I went to the mall to get some plantain. Then I came back home to rest. I slept because today I didn't really sleep well, so I had to sleep from about 12 to 2, which was really relaxing. And then I had to also go out, which is where I'm coming back from. I had to also go out again to attend a seminar. So there's this seminar that the International House of Estonia organized for new moms, new parents, or new parents to be. Talking about like the benefits that you get from when you give birth in Estonia or when you raise your children in Estonia. I've shown you guys a couple of clips before now, so yeah, it was quite enlightening to know a couple of things that I didn't know before. Some I'd already known before. A few other points I just learned today, which I'm really happy about. It went well. It ran for about an hour, which was pretty much, okay. Every other thing I'll get from the website. But yeah, so I just go home, quite tired, to be honest. It's been a packed day and it's been raining all day. Excuse me, and it's been raining all day. But that's about it for today. Like I said earlier, it's about 6 p.m. now, so the day is like literally gone. So I'm just going to change, rest. I haven't removed my dress. It's cold, which is why I'm wearing this sweater. I'm going to just change and just chill for the evening. I'm not sure even if I'll have dinner because I had a very heavy lunch, which was on purpose. I was really hungry. But yeah, I'll just chill, and then yeah, that's about it for today. I decided to just bring you guys along some of my hospital appointments. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please hit the like button, please share this video, and leave a comment in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. If you've been pregnant before, how was your own glucose test? And just let me know how you're going, how we are doing, and how everything is going with you. Thank you so much once again. If you're not subscribed to me, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Jesus loves you. Bye.